Hey everyone, today marks a pivotal point in your journey within your industry as we delve into a fundamental aspect, building your dream team. This comprehensive how-to guide aims to equip you with actionable steps to forge a team that is not only dynamic and efficient but also mindful of cost effectiveness. Building the right team is a cornerstone of success, and in the next segment, we will unravel the key strategies and insights that will empower you to navigate this crucial phase of your professional venture. So, without further ado, let us embark on the journey of team building and unlock the secrets to assembling a team that propels you toward your goals. Step number 1. Lay the foundation. Embarking on a new venture demands a strategic approach, and at the forefront of your considerations should be simplicity. Whether you are flying solo or operating within a close-knit team, the realities of a startup budget may necessitate a hands-on, streamlined approach. In the initial stages, it is prudent to immerse yourself in the intricacies of your enterprise, shouldering the workload personally. This not only establishes a comprehensive understanding of the business, but also sets the foundation for informed decision-making. As the time comes to expand operations, freelancers emerge as a potent resource. These nimble professionals offer a flexible solution, allowing you to scale your efforts without the burden of a full-time staff. Navigating the dynamic landscape of entrepreneurship requires adaptability, and freelancers provide a unique solution to this challenge. Their specialized skills and on-demand availability empower you to address specific needs as they arise, without the long-term commitment associated with hiring permanent employees. These strategic incorporations of freelancers into your workflow not only enhances operational flexibility, but also enables you to tap into a diverse pool of talent, bringing fresh perspectives and expertise to your business. Moreover, collaborating with freelancers fosters a culture of innovation within your venture. These independent professionals often come with a wealth of experience gained from working on various projects across industries. By tapping into the rich reservoir of knowledge, you infuse your startup with creative ideas and novel approaches, propelling it towards success in a rapidly evolving market. In essence, the judicious integration of freelancers into your entrepreneurial journey becomes a catalyst for agile and scalable growth. It allows you to allocate resources strategically, adapting to market fluctuations and unforeseen challenges. As your venture matures, this flexible approach ensures that you can optimize your team composition, emphasizing the skills and expertise required at each stage of your business development. In doing so, you pave the way for sustainable success and longevity in the competitive business landscape. Wholeheartedly embracing the 1099 approach presents a strategic advantage for several compelling reasons. Foremost among them is the flexibility it affords. In opting for this model, the burden of managing a full-time team is replaced with the ability to selectively engage skilled freelancers, matching their expertise precisely to the demands of specific tasks. This approach not only promotes efficiency, but also mitigates the need for a continuous payroll commitment, allowing you to navigate the dynamic landscape of business demands with agility. One of the significant benefits of the 1099 approach is the capacity to assemble a team that is tailored to the unique requirements of each project. Rather than maintaining a fixed staff, you can tap into a diverse pool of freelancers, each possessing specialized skills that align with specific tasks or phases of your venture. This targeted utilization of expertise ensures that you have the right talent at the right time, optimizing resource allocation and project outcomes. Furthermore, by sidestepping the overhead costs associated with maintaining a traditional staff, you gain a financial edge. The 1099 model enables you to operate with a leaner structure, allocating resources judiciously and redirecting funds towards core business activities. This financial flexibility proves invaluable, especially for startups and small businesses, allowing them to invest in growth initiatives, technology upgrades, or marketing efforts that contribute directly to their success. The 1099 approach thus becomes a gateway to a resourceful and on-demand team, finely tuned to the nuanced requirements of your projects, laying the groundwork for a responsive and cost-effective operational framework. As the business landscape continues to evolve, having the ability to adapt swiftly to changing demands and opportunities becomes a competitive advantage. The 1099 model not only meets the need but also positions your venture to thrive in a fast-paced and unpredictable market, where adaptability and efficiency are paramount for sustained success. Step number 2. Build a dynamic network. Shift your perspective on team dynamics from a fixed entity to a dynamic network and envision the transformative potential this holds. Imagine a friend navigating the complexities of overseeing a digital marketing agency with the weight of managing 30 salaried employees. The stress and administrative challenges are palpable. Now, consider an alternative scenario where your team comprises a network of freelancers. Personally, I maintain a roster of a dozen adept graphic designers, each just a call away, poised to tackle any project that comes our way. This paradigm shift is akin to having a dream team on standby, devoid of the financial burden associated with a hefty payroll. The agility of such a network not only allows for seamless adaptation to varying project scopes, but also liberates your business from the logistical constraints and stressors often entwined with traditional staff management. In the traditional model, managing a large, fixed team requires extensive coordination, communication, and resource allocation, leading to potential bottlenecks and inefficiencies. The beauty of the dynamic network approach lies in its capacity to foster specialization and efficiency. Each freelancer in the network brings a unique set of skills and experiences to the table, ensuring that you have access to the right expertise for each specific task. Instead of one-size-fits-all approach, you can assemble a tailored team for diverse projects, optimizing performance and outcomes. The on-call nature of freelancers also means that you pay for services only when needed, eliminating the financial strain associated with a continuous payroll. This strategic move towards an efficient and responsive operational framework is not just about cost savings, but also about unlocking the full potential of your team. With freelancers, there is an innate adaptability to the ebb and flow of project demands, allowing your business to navigate the evolving landscape with ease. It is a flexible and strategic approach where expertise is readily available. The team adapts organically to the evolving needs of your endeavors, positioning your business for sustained success in a dynamic market environment. Crafting your dream team is a meticulous process that involves assembling specialists across diverse domains, each contributing unique skills to the collective expertise. In my approach, this entails having dedicated professionals in areas such as graphic design, web design, copywriting, and more, with each member playing a distinctive role in the overall synergy. Personally, I employ spreadsheets as a tool to keep meticulous track of my team's composition, responsibilities, and progress, although I recognize the various methods exist to achieve this coordination. The overarching objective is to foster a team dynamic that is both diverse and dynamic, where each member's skills complement those of their peers. This strategic alignment ensures a holistic approach to problem-solving and project execution, drawing upon a rich tapestry of talents to navigate the multifaceted challenges that may arise. The meticulous selection of specialists in specific domains ensures that every facet of a project is handled by individuals with a deep understanding of their respective fields, contributing to a comprehensive and high-quality end result. In essence, building a dream team is about orchestrating a harmonious blend of expertise, fostering collaboration, and creating an environment where the collective strengths of the team exceed the sum of its individual parts. It goes beyond merely assembling a group of skilled individuals. It involves understanding the interplay of their abilities and harnessing that synergy for optimal performance. The use of tools like spreadsheets aids in maintaining transparency, ensuring everyone is aware of their roles and responsibilities, and facilitating seamless communication within the team. This meticulous approach to team building not only enhances productivity, but also cultivates a sense of shared purpose and camaraderie among team members. It is about creating a work environment where creativity flourishes, innovative ideas are born, and everyone feels empowered to contribute their best. As the team evolves and projects unfold, the continuous refinement of this dream team becomes an ongoing process, adapting to new challenges and opportunities, and ensuring sustained success in the ever-changing landscape of business and innovation. Step number 3. Find talent efficiently. Efficiently sourcing talented freelancers is a crucial aspect of building a successful team. While word-of-mouth referrals are invaluable, the advent of online platforms has revolutionized this process. For me, platforms like Upwork have proven to be game changers. Unlike the potential pitfalls associated with inconsistent quality on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork offers a reliable marketplace where you can connect with skilled professionals. The structured nature of Upwork ensures a transparent vetting process, allowing you to browse through portfolios, reviews, and ratings to make informed decisions about potential hires. This level of transparency is invaluable, providing a comprehensive overview of a freelancer's skills, work history, and client satisfaction. The ability to assess a freelancer's past projects and client feedback enables you to gauge their competence and reliability, making the hiring process more efficient and risk-averse. Moreover, Upwork facilitates clear communication and project management. The platform provides tools for collaboration, time tracking, and milestone tracking, ensuring that both parties are on the same page regarding project expectations and deadlines. This streamlined workflow contributes to the overall efficiency of the team and enhances the client-freelancer relationship. Another advantage of platforms like Upwork is the diverse pool of talent it attracts. You can find freelancers with expertise in a wide range of fields, allowing you to build a team that is not only skilled but also versatile. Whether you need a graphic designer, a web developer, a content writer, or other specialized professionals, Upwork provides a centralized platform to discover and connect with talent from around the world. While word-of-mouth referrals remain valuable for team building, online platforms like Upwork complement this traditional approach by offering a scalable and accessible solution. They bring together a global talent pool, streamline the hiring process, and provide tools for effective project management. Leveraging such platform in your quest for top-tier freelancers ensures that you can efficiently build a dynamic and skilled team capable of meeting the diverse challenges of your projects. Here is a pro tip. Leverage the power of LinkedIn. This professional networking platform serves as a treasure trove for discovering hidden talents within your industry. One notable advantage is the high response rate to messages on LinkedIn. People tend to be more responsive and open to professional inquiries. By reaching out strategically through this platform, you can unearth skilled freelancers who may not be as visible on traditional job boards. LinkedIn's unique features such as advanced search filters and industry-specific groups enable you to tailor your search to find professionals with the exact skills and expertise you are seeking. This targeted approach allows you to connect with freelancers who are not only competent in their fields but also align with the specific needs and goals of your projects. The platform's emphasis on professional profiles, recommendations, and endorsements provides additional insights into a freelancer's capabilities and reputation, aiding you in making informed decisions during the hiring process. Moreover, LinkedIn fosters a sense of professional community, making it an ideal space for networking and relationship building. Engaging with freelancers through direct messages, joining relevant groups, and participating in industry discussions can help you establish meaningful connections. Building a network of talented professionals not only enriches your pool of potential hires, but also opens doors to collaborative opportunities and industry insights. LinkedIn's versatility extends beyond just finding freelancers. It can be a valuable tool for showcasing your own projects and business. A well-crafted company profile and regular updates on your accomplishments can attract freelancers who are interested in contributing to a dynamic and successful team. Additionally, posting job opportunities on LinkedIn can draw the attention of freelancers actively seeking new projects. In essence, LinkedIn offers a nuanced and effective approach to expanding your network and tapping into a diverse pool of talent for your projects. By strategically navigating this platform, you position yourself to discover freelancers who may not be easily found through traditional channels, enhancing the depth and breadth of your dream team. In a nutshell, the essence of building your dream team lies in efficiency. Prioritize freelancers for their flexibility, cultivate a diverse team to harness a broad spectrum of skills, and maintain low overheads for financial agility. Whether you are at the inception of your venture or eyeing strategic scaling, this fundamental strategy serves as a compass pointing toward success. Thank you for joining us on this How to Build Your Team journey. Stay tuned for a cascade of actionable tips and insights in our upcoming videos, designed to propel you farther on your path to success. If you found this how-to guide helpful, don't forget to show your support by hitting that like button, subscribing for more insightful content, and sharing your questions or comments below. Your engagements fuel our commitment to delivering valuable insights. That's it for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to become an expert in digital marketing, building your online presence. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you until the next one.